Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I've talked to you because I realized being sick, you probably shouldn't be vlogging and doing all these things. So I did take a couple days off after the wedding. Today is Wednesday the 27th and I am feeling much better. I probably don't sound like I feel much better, but I really do, I promise. I have an order I want to finish, and then I'm about to jump in the shower because I worked out for the first time in about 5 weeks, kind of, maybe even longer, maybe almost going on 2 months. No, not quite that long. I would say 6 weeks. I'm sorry, you're not focused. I had some personal things going on in my life, and I didn't want to work out because it just was not pleasant. So I put it off and I stress ate, and you guys probably remember in my vlogs I was always saying, oh, I just worked out, excuse this. Oh, I just worked out, excuse this. Or, oh, I'm making this healthy meal. No, it has not been like that at all really this year. The workouts I did okay in January, but kind of going down, they definitely went downhill. So I would say February was probably my worst month I've had in a very long time. Probably since my grandmother passed away. So it goes to show you kind of how serious that month was for me. So I am going to go jump in the shower. I may walk to the shower, not necessarily jump into it. And need to do some editing, especially some vlogs. I think I'm good, although the beginning of April is in like 3 days. It's like, I think I have all videos for my main channel done, which is the channel you're watching, but my nail channel, I don't have any videos like prepped. I think I have 2 or 3 filmed. I know I have 2 tutorials filmed, and I have to film some hauls, so I'm hoping that this weekend I can get like my life together as far as YouTube, because that's kind of where I'm putting my concentration, which I've said like I think a million times by now. But yeah, I'm gonna jump in the shower and I will see you guys in a little bit, or later, or not tomorrow. I don't know what's happening in life. So yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday the 28th and I'm feeling so much better now compared to what I did earlier this week. Even I'm working on a custom order. I'm not even in frame. I normally don't take, why didn't that work? I normally don't take custom orders. Of course my computer is not working, but ay, that's all it printed. It's gonna be a good day. I don't know if I should, take my chances. But yeah, I'm doing some hand lettering custom. I did one for somebody else, and someone else asked me if I was still taking customs. Like, sure, why not? I'm still trying to figure out like what's going on in the shop. I don't really know. I've been doing a lot of things for myself, and as selfish as that is, like the vlogs and the planner video, like hand lettering, people really like that, so I might list that. I don't know if a lot of people post vlogs like that are sticker people, so I don't know, we'll see. I know people post planner videos, but I feel like most people who post planner videos make stickers. Well, no, actually I take that back. I don't know. I'm neutral on that. Oh, I'm wearing just a very little minimal makeup on that. It's fine. So yeah, so I kind of want to, I do know that I want to get rid of all my stock and kind of put together some grab bags at like super discount. Like I have like stuff like this where I have this printed but I don't have like the rest, so I'm gonna put like grab bags together, because obviously not every page works and they aren't necessarily misfit, but like I print things and then I don't cut them, so I might. This plant has so many teeth marks from my cat, although I guess it makes it look real, right? Ignore the stuff all behind it. That was all in, like, look at that. Look at these. I guess it makes it look real and not so perfect. But yeah. All right, so that's what's going on. I do have another order I want to work on. It's a little bit bigger, and then I have a couple more that just came in, so I'm gonna do that. Although Mike wants to go to happy hour, so we may be doing that as well. So I'm printing the custom hand letter now, and then I also need to film a haul, which I haven't even opened my Rose Colored Days order, and it's been here for like 3 or 4 days. Maybe even longer. I don't even know at this point. So yeah, okay. I'm gonna do this stuff and then I'll see you guys later. Okay, so now I am doing some editing. I have edited 2 videos. It's 9 o'clock. I should take a break. I am editing the default photo for the A6 Plan With Me I just did. Well, I shouldn't just do it. I did that back in beginning of March. And I haven't done anything in this since, and if I get too far behind, I know I will absolutely fail. Today is the 28th. I think it's what, 31 days in March? Yes, 31. And I had 1 in there. And that's it, yeah. So, although I do want to wait until some wedding photos are back for the wedding to put in there, like the cute ones. So that day may be held off. Oh, so many edited videos. And I need to just go ahead. Oh, that's all good. And finish this. And then I think I might actually take a break for the night. Although the amount of footage I got for vlogs is like 10 minutes. Not 10 minutes. Just freeze. Okay. Yeah, so I need to go to bed. AKA go watch TV. Probably Housewives or something. Is New York on tonight? I feel like I got an alert on my watch about something. Oh, that might have been yesterday. I don't know. And I think my computer just froze, so. Yes, okay. I will see you later.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it is much later. I am exhausted, and instead of going to bed, I am going to just, you know, hang out in my office some. I trimmed my hair, probably not a lot since you guys can see, but I added like a bunch of layers, probably like shoulder, so like I didn't add like a ton. I just like took the crown and like kept going around. I don't know. I feel like this is not the best lighting for it. I don't know. I did add some in there and I think it's helping me get rid of some of the dead. Although there's still so much from that blonde, but you know, it's fine. We're here. So I think the last thing you saw me do last night was, sorry, you know, it's fine, was this guy. Yeah. So I still have to print a picture to the 9th, and today is the 29th. It is the 29th at 9:30 p.m. I'm a little behind, but I can't stay too far behind. I definitely want to work on it tomorrow. Tonight I'm too tired, although I think yesterday I said I was too tired, and then I busted out like 4 pages. Yeah, and I decided yesterday, because like, you know, my theme is like the trees, but I decided to add some leaves as well, because it's the same type of look for the leaves. Does that make sense? I don't know why I'm squinting at you. I think my contacts are dry. So yeah, and I think that Plan With Me is about to go live. The one of like me switching, or it just went live. I know a vlog just went live. I don't remember if that A6 memory keeping went live. I have to look, and I really need to get a nail video up. I really just need to bust out the short nails, the ones that I had. So I think I'm gonna try to edit those tonight. Because I have 2 tutorials. I have one that's doing the actual tip application, and then one doing like the actual design. So not these are forms. This one is actually edited. I edited that one yesterday, the one that I'm wearing now. But I want to put the other 2 up, and then I still need to do all these hauls, and I can see my dark circles from here. And then tomorrow is our friend's surprise birthday. I'm really excited. So we're gonna go to a brewery that's pretty close to us. It's in like downtown Roswell. And I'm excited about that because it's not too far away from us, since we are downtown, like towards downtown, and going to Roswell really isn't terrible because you kind of go away from traffic. Although it's Saturday, it shouldn't matter. And then we're going out to dinner for his birthday. Like, we're all surprising him for his birthday. So we're leaving, and then we're going to meet up with everybody again. So I told her, I was like, Mike's like, well, everyone can't just all of a sudden leave and have plans for dinner. And I'm like, you're right. So I figured we would have plans, and then her other friend's waiting for her boyfriend to get off. So like, well, some of us should have plans to go to the brewery, and then we all can go out to dinner that night to the place that they're gonna do. So yeah, I just need to go to bed, but I'm gonna edit instead, because naturally that's what I do. So yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit, or maybe not, I don't know. Nope. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be probably editing some more. I need to film, it's not gonna show up, it's too bright. I need to film my haul from Rose Colored Days, and the one that I got from Simply Gilded forever ago, probably 2 weeks ago at this point. So I'm just gonna do them in one. I broke my no spend, of course. And I actually ordered the wrong thing. So I wanted the larger sample, and I got the small sample. So it had like larger and smaller ones, and no. I mean, maybe it's still in her shop. Maybe I could contact her. and say, hey, I ordered the wrong one. Although one is $20 and one is $40, so yeah. I still have to catch up on this and do some editing, and I don't have my watch on today. We are going to meet our friends at 4 at a brewery, and then maybe 4:30, I think it's 4:30. And then we're going to dinner, and surprising the people actually we're going to, it's her husband's birthday. He turns 30 today, so we're doing a surprise party for him, and it's actually at a restaurant. And then, so we are leaving them and going to the restaurant to surprise them. Or I should say him, not them. So that's kind of fun. So we'll see how much I actually get accomplished. I think editing the videos will be more of a top priority. I also want to film like 2. I do have 2 edited tutorials for the nail channel, which will get me 2 weeks since I just put one up. Since I do every 4 days, I try to stick to every 4 days, but sometimes it just doesn't work, okay? Hi, Damie. So that's where we're at now. I'm about to film, and then I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so about to film that, but we have a guest. He loves looking outside, so I just opened the window for him. You can see he's just loving this. Who knows what's out there? What's out there, Damie? Yeah. Oh, did you just chirp? I love when cats freak out like that. All right, so I'm going to set up for a tutorial with Henrietta. No, that's not my hand, that's Henrietta. That was the last one I did, which was the space one, which actually was a really big hit. I was really happy about that. So I just need like a collection of like a jar or something. And I think these are gonna be my next colors. Because I'm going to do the pearl over it, and then maybe some loose glitter. Look how pretty. Yeah. So that, and I want a nice white loose glitter. Oopsie. Yeah. I need to figure out the actual storage for this stuff, because it's going downhill. Yeah, I'm gonna do this one, which is just a powder. I mean, technically it's a glitter, but you know. Like, look at all the glitter. I need to get another one of these, actually 2 of them. So maybe I'll go to Michael's, because I want to add these guys. These are the shards. I don't know. Shards everywhere. If you guys watched that video. And I want to start adding that stuff in there. And then I got a whole bunch of these glitters as well to do, I guess, very similar to this. Oh, that looks a little bit finer. And I got some glow in the dark, which I have another tutorial that I'm gonna do. I'm just excited, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna do with these guys now.
Expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. If I say it enough, it gets ingrained.